The Great Big Pumpkin. This is Ellie. Ellie has a garden. Ellie plants a little seed. Ellie waters the seed. The sun is warm and bright. The seed starts to grow. A little plant grows. It grows and grows. A pumpkin grows on the vine. The pumpkin grows big. It grows very, very big. It is a great big pumpkin. Ellie claps her hands. I will make a pie. But first, I must pull it out. Ellie pulls the pumpkin. Pull, pull, pull. But the pumpkin does not move. The pumpkin is too big. Ellie cannot pull it out. I need some help. Ellie calls Grandpa Joe. Grandpa, please help me. Grandpa Joe comes to help. Grandpa pulls Ellie. Ellie pulls the pumpkin. Pull, pull, pull. But the pumpkin does not move. It is still too big. We need more help. Ellie calls Grandma Rose. Grandma, please help us. Grandma Rose comes to help. Grandma pulls Grandpa. Grandpa pulls Ellie. Ellie pulls the pumpkin. Pull, pull, pull. But the pumpkin does not move. We need more help. Ellie calls Rex, the dog. Rex, please help us. Rex runs over to help. Rex pulls Grandma. They all pull the big pumpkin. Pull, pull, pull. But the pumpkin does not move. It is still stuck. We need more help. Ellie calls Daisy the duck. Daisy, please help us. Daisy waddles over to help. Daisy pulls Rex. They all pull together. Pull, pull, pull. But the pumpkin does not move. Oh no, it is still stuck. We need more help. Ellie calls Smudge, the cat. Smudge, please help us. Smudge comes to help. Smudge pulls Daisy. Everyone pulls and pulls. Pull, pull, pull. But the pumpkin does not move. Just a little more help. Who can help us now? Ellie calls Pip the mouse. Pip, please help us. Little Pip runs over. Pip pulls Smudge. Everyone pulls together. Pull, pull, pull. Pop! Out comes the pumpkin. The great big pumpkin is out. Everybody falls down. Plop, plop, plop. They all fall in the grass. Then everyone laughs. Hooray, says Ellie. We did it. Thank you. The little mouse helped the most. Now Ellie makes a pie. A big, warm pumpkin pie. It smells so good. Everyone sits together. They all eat the pie. Yum, yum, yum. Grandpa and Grandma smile. Rex, Daisy, Smudge, and Pip are happy. Everyone is full and happy. Ellie hugs little Pip. Thank you, my friends. What a great big pumpkin.